boy FrankieTaughtMe, man. Let's get into this banger, yo. Yo. Try, is that me that can't hear shit?
Bro. Yo, chat. God damn.
So, I'm gonna tell y'all. So yesterday.
I think that's just how the video was.
Right. Yes. It was a storm. Yes. Alright, so I was supposed to leave at 4 o'clock. Right?
Yeah, his shit was definitely tweaking.
6. And 8. Yeah. And at 9 o'clock I said, I need to eat something.
What is Camo standing on?
Right? But then I thought my one was gonna happen, so I called the jet. And they say the wind is too strong. So I couldn't do it. So then I went
Gotta be a chair. I'm about to say, ain't no way this nigga that tall, right? Man, where's that nigga standing on?
strong winds.
Got to be a chair, boy.
It felt like if you was in a
The Echo shirt Yachty wearing kind of tough.
I had to wipe my cheeks. So I went home to take a deep cleanse because my butt had dry stains. You get what I'm saying? I had a long day.
What is he talking about?
Long day. And
Pop it up, Charlie. Pop it up.
Hey. $4 million worth of jewelry on. 18 carats left ear, 17 carats one finger. Protect, you know about that. What we doing?
What we doing?
Hold on. As I was saying,
What are you doing?
the concrete, I'd rather use grass. Caribou, draft day, and Camo is that.
Ooh, wait, they battle rapping?
Hold on.
Oh no, wait, they battle rap? This is?
Hold on. It's getting a little cold, so I'm gonna wear my coat. I do big boats. What the f is a low boat? Oh! Okay, I see it. It came. Oh, wait, hold on.
Don DeMarco.
Wait, hold on. We've been here since, I don't know, 9 o'clock. And we could do more. This ass walking in the room when it's 4.
Hold on, let me take
Don DeMarco.
Talk to him.
I walked in.
Wait, why did it go down?
Go Don DeMarco.
I walked in a room when it was 4. But look at the ground, there's diamonds on the floor. I walked in this house, I thought you was rich, it looks like you're poor. I want to stop rapping, but Mitch just told me inside me he wants more. Go crazy. Alright? So look, I see your boy right here. He's a little tall. That's alright? I see your boy right here, I'm knocking through the wall. A couple of my got grills like Paul Wall. I got but they never call. So this is what I'm getting at.
Man,
Okay.
wait.
I could trip on my shoestrings and I still would never fall because I'm like, y'all, concrete floor on the wall.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Don DeMarco.
Wait. Hold on.
And he came back.
Hold on now.
No, he just resuscitated, bro. That nigga came back from the dead.
About concrete. Y'all heard he said they all got grills. You know we don't with no cement. We pull up with the drills. Hello. Hold on.
Okay.
We don't put no cement. We pull up with the drills.
Okay. I seen those before, nigga.
Hold on.
I seen those before.
I said already. Right. I'm gonna say it again and again and again. I'm feeling like Ben. Cause I stay stacking that 10. What is that? That's 30.
Which is not even a...
Back in 2021, I ran up 30 on 30.
Oh,
Wait,
30!
wait. I came up on Twitch off getting sturdy.
Oh, wait, nigga.
Hold on, Cal.
Wait, nigga.
Kill it.
Wait, nigga.
Wait.
Wait the fuck. Hold on.
I came up on Twitch off getting sturdy.
Right.
That's very true.
I was there too.
Nigga, I saw that shit. I was watching that shit, nigga. I was in the
I'm done with these. They all about to rot. Take my cannonballs and explode a big yacht. Hold on. Like car.
Ooh.
You whipping up in that pot.
What is it? What you whipping?
Temperature check, I'm feeling hot. You wanna f with me? 1 to the face, 2 to the face. That's 2 knocks.
Oh, yeah. No, can't get enough. Can't get enough for real.
How many blocks are we spinning? 2 blocks. I feel like I'm Tupac. No bandana.
Watch your hands.
Shut up. I'll give a f.
You need to go barber.
Okay, all right. Really? Really?
You want some smoke? What's up?
Oh my God.
Step it to the front.
I don't do it.
Nah, Kai, that nigga Kai was getting off. Boy, what the hell? Boy, what was Kai? Hold on. Nah, chat. I've never heard Kai rap like that before. Is this too far? Is this too far back? Fuck it.
I'm feeling like Ben. Can I stay stacking that 10? What is that? That's 30.
Which is not even a.
Back in 2021, I ran up 30 on 30. Wait. I came up on Twitch off getting sturdy.
Damn, I thought it was a.
Hold on, Cal.
Kill him.
Kill him. Wait.
Talk facts, bro.
I came up on Twitch off getting sturdy.
Right. I was there.
That's very true.
I was there
He
too.
was there, nigga. I was there. He was on here.
I seen it.
Nigga, I saw
I'm
nigga.
done with these. They all about to rot. Take my cannonballs and explode a big yacht.
Yeah, you can pause that.
Hold on. They're like, car. What the f you whipping up in that pot?
What is it? What you whipping?
Temperature check, I'm feeling hot.
Ooh.
You wanna f with me? 1 to the face, 2 to the face. That's 2 knocks. How many blocks are we spinning? 2 blocks. I feel like I'm Tupac. No bandana.
Watch your hands.
Shut up.
Kara giving her a little 2 cents in the bag. Man, Kai, go ahead and grill her ass, bro.
Okay, all right. Really?
He said, come to the front.
Really?
He said, come to the front, nigga.
Oh my God.
Step it to the front.
I don't do it.
He said, free smoke for everybody.
Man, f you.
that.
All right, go ahead.
What about you dangerous?
Go ahead.
Say that.
Go ahead.
So me,
It's on you.
as you can see, I do what I want. I walked in this when I felt right. Alright?
Running late for your dad.
I walked in this.
That's crazy. Wait, I'm sorry, that's crazy. Nigga said running late as shit.
When I felt right. Alright?
Running late for your dad.
I walked in this and I said, who the fuck gonna get dealt by? Yo, real. Who? Anyone.
I'm ready.
Look, hold on. Everyone get excited and talk when I pull up. Alright, look. If I leave this, it's gonna walk if I pull off. Hold on. We came from the actual dirt. So I can tell by the way y'all dress, y'all actually hurt. Specifically. Hold on.
Yeah, specifically. He said that one specifically.
Well done, Fred. You got the presents, the balloons,
He called that
and the
nigga out.
replica.
He just
How
laughs.
about something to put a smile?
Look, he's just laughing.
Bandage wrapped around your head.
A lot of y'all need to get home by Monday because they actually work. Hold on. DC out of the frame because he's half an actual perk.
Ooh.
Hold on.
Not a great.
I would ask some of these.
He said, not the fake one. Yo, this nigga both funny though, bro.
Hold on. DC out of the frame because he's half an actual perk.
Not the fake one.
Hold on. I would ask some of these to dance, but I don't want to see him actually twerk.
Oh.
Hold on. I must be blind. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Talk to him, Bo.
Cup is filled with not wine. Alright? Talking about Muslim dogs eat green, not swine. Hold on. No, we crush up good weed, not pines. Hold on. Hold on. No, I got a lot of watches. Good time.
Cool.
Still showed up late.
Still showed up late.
Still shut
I
up.
got the wait by the door like good chime. Hold on.
Nah, this nigga Bo spit. Hold on, nah. You saying hold on? I gotta go back.
Not wine.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Check. Can we hear? Is the volume good?
Hold on.
I feel like I got this shit loud as fuck, but I can't hear. Is it just me?
Not wine. Alright? Talking about Muslim dogs eat green, not swine. Hold on. No, we crush up good weed, not pines. Hold on. No, I got a lot of watches. Good time.
Still showed up late.
Still showed up late.
Wait. I got the wait by the door like good chime. Hold on.
It's low on there, but I can hear it.
I'm
Okay.
actually rapping. And you're thinking of what you're going to say.
You actually have
Man, all that.
I'm not done.
Wait, what did he say? No. What did he say? Hold on.
Serious $400,000 toy.
You actually have
Man, all that.
I'm not done, little boy.
No, bit out, boy.
Outside is a serious $400,000 toy.
Yeah.
If I had to choose a rapper today, it might be Coy.
I know that's right, baby.
Hold on. I put up a loan, not with all these New York boys. I wasn't done. I wasn't done making my
What's going on?
She's not done.
Hey, what's going on?
Dance in Times Square. That's interesting.
Yeah, nigga.
Hold on. All of my. You ready for this one?
Yup.
Are actually interesting. Hold on. What's in that fridge over there? I know it's not much. I walk in this and I actually don't want to touch.
Not the German. Hey, that's just crazy. Hey, Caribou kind of funny. Hey, Caribou kind of funny, y'all. That shit was just goofy.
I know that these ain't never seen a rich. They get a rush. He's about to blush.
Not very straight, bro.
Hold on. Matter of fact, I've done enough bars for free. You understand?
Next line gonna
And
come
the
to
one who
me.
said that was like actual trees. So I need you and you to listen hard when you're listening to me. Alright? Cause a like this, I go in that room, aka the bathroom, and take an actual pee.
Okay.
Clear.
Hold on now.
And that's it. I'm not.
I'm gonna go.
I'm not. Right. Hey, you gonna go? You gonna go?
Wait.
After you go,
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go.
Bro.
this your last and your best.
I bet.
'Cause
I'm
I'm
gonna
not
go.
speaking no more.
So listen.
Did you ask for this?
Where my niggas at?
We here.
Hey yo.
Talk to him.
Red one time.
Yeah, we don't have to talk for our. We're all together.
We don't do that.
Yeah.
was crazy.
Okay.
We never get around them.
Okay. No.
Ever. We don't gotta do that.
Okay. Hold on. All right.
You step over here.
Quiet down.
Please. Make it apparent.
So he trying to come for us. Okay.
I was wondering, Tom Lil was on the wrong side for
Gotta
real.
leave Monday. No. They don't work no 9 to 5. They can wake up tomorrow at 9 and say, "Con, let me hold 5."
Why they gotta borrow it?
Hold on now.
None of my niggas borrow nothing.
Wait, hold on now.
We not borrowing.
No, hold on. Hold on now.
Fix it.
Hold on now.
Fix it.
I got a in Taiwan.
He's up there
He's
asleep, by the
He's
way.
sleeping right now. No, he's right here.
Yeah, nigga! Yeah,
Hold on.
It's so.
Hold on.
Is that him sleep on the couch?
Wait, hold on, wait.
Nah, 4K is crazy.
I didn't interrupt.
Let him go.
Let him go, cause he said nigga.
Now. Yo. Now I'm about to spin the block and let off the shots.
Right?
She talking. He talking. And it's Travis Scott. Wait
Now, nigga, wait.
I don't give a what you heard before. That shit does not matter.
Unoriginal.
Shut the up, Kara.
Why you don't tell your barber that? Huh? Why you don't tell him like that?
You seem matter.
What's that?
It ain't making sense.
I snatch your chain like this is slavery. Cause why not?
Damn, that was a crazy
You
bar.
standing in my field like it's slavery. Hope not.
Hey, this nigga. Hey, whose man is this? Hey, whose man is this?
Hold on.
Hey, who's?
Hold on, I got it.
Hey, who's? I don't know if he got it, bro. He might be tag in. No. He wildin'.
Makes sense.
Nah, he wildin'.
20 IQ. Here we go.
Let's go.
Nah, I don't know. I don't know if he can come back from that one, man.
Physical. But we ain't talking about the fight.
What else y'all talking about? Wait, hold on. Talking about.
Wait, hold on. Let it flow. Physical. But we, hold on. Physical. But we ain't talking about the fight. Lil Yachty, shit about to go dark, so give me the lights. With my goons, we gon' slide. Hear what I'm saying? No boat. With my goons, we gon' slide. In that Tesla.
Oh, try to say it again.
Wait, shut up, man!
Hey, man, it's over with it, bro.
I'm saying song titles, bro. Going over the hat, bro. Man, this boat, man. This man. Mitch is a.
I get what he was saying.
Camo, I hate you, Camo. We gonna let him the ammo. Caribou,
Not the two. Bye.
like a
Next.
gum, I'm a chew.
I'm already chewing gum. This stupid think he dumb.
I'm done.
Yo,
Yo, close the balcony. It's cold as shit.
Nah. Cause you still didn't explain why they need to borrow 5.
Yeah, he didn't.
Nah, that's
I don't need to borrow
Fuck
5.
five.
I don't need to borrow 5.
All right, just says that.
I'll put this shit on your
Yo,
chin.
they are popping out.
You said you came here with $4 million worth of jewelry. That's how much I'm gonna leave with. No doubt.
Okay.
All my mother from the trenches.
That's what y'all got around, y'all.
Hey, it's over with, bro. It's over with. I think the hole is getting deeper, bro. They thinking there's a crazy hole right now.
That was a concrete dub. I stepped in and
All right, clap it up for all the rappers that came in battle.
a duck for the pool.
I'm okay.
I stepped in and did what I was supposed to do. Hey, yo.
Wait, what did he say?
Did what I was supposed to do. Hey, yo.
Yo, what do you mean by that?
Wait, Bo, come here, Bo, come here.
They said he would have rocked.
Wait.